It's palette review time! Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first Huda Beauty product, and it is her newest palette, the Mercury Retrograde Palette. Yay! I am ready just to dive in and tell you guys all about this palette. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. I am so sorry that I have been so inconsistent lately, but I needed to take some time for myself. I had the anniversary of my dad's death last week, and I wasn't feeling all that great, so I had to step back and take some time for myself and relax and just kind of like grieve for a couple days, you know, for my dad. And yeah, I am so sorry. I did plan to have this video out over the weekend, but once the weekend rolled around, I still wasn't in the mind frame to film or put makeup on, so I was just like, whatever, it'll happen. So it's happening now. Yeah, we are going to dive into the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Palette. This is actually the first palette of hers that I have reviewed on this channel. It's not my first one that I have. I got the mini Obsessions, the coral one. I think it was in my Ipsy box, my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I haven't used it yet, but when I saw this one, I really did want to try it and pick it. I wanted to pick it up and try it out. So that's what we're going to do today. If you want to go straight into how I made this makeup look, I am going to put a timestamp right here so you can just bypass all I'm going to talk about when it comes to this palette. Alright, so this is Huda Beauty's newest release, the Mercury Retrograde Palette, and I really like the packaging on this. This packaging is just amazing. It is so pretty. It's very reflective, holographic. It is just really gorgeous. On the back, it says, embark on a new journey through space with Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. 18 gorgeous shades developed in 4 textures to mirror a fantasized cosmos filled with stars, dazzling colors, and reflections, including 9 buttery mattes, which blend seamlessly with pure color payoff, 6 high shine creamy metallics saturated with electrifying pearls and otherworldly dimension, 1 glitter powder charged with sparkly particles for an escalated shine, and 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows which combine different pearls for a unique speckled glow. Whew, that was a lot. So this is the outer carton. Go ahead and take her out. The outer carton is just pretty in itself, and it's a nice thick plastic too. And this is the packaging. The packaging is a nice sturdy plastic, so you really don't have to worry about breakage if you drop it, unless you're dropping it from, like, you know, a 10-story building. But why would you do that? I don't know. It has Mercury Retrograde up here, Huda Beauty, and it does have her face on it with the look, and it's just really pretty. And this is what it looks like on the back. And this is what she looks like on the inside. You get a nice size mirror. Hey girls! And then here are the shades. Of course, you can see where the 9 mattes are. I do have my notes somewhere as to the other shades. Your 9 mattes are Utopia, Haze, Off Balance. It's hard to read these because they do have that, as you see, they are holographic. Libra, Crash, Momentum, Vortex, Hot Mess, and Karma. Those are your mattes in the palette. Your metallics are Cosmic, Ultraviolet, which is this one right here, Galaxy, which is this shade right here. Sorry if I'm not showing you. And Frazzled, which is this shade down here. Your glitter intense eyeshadow is the shade Nebula, which is this one right here. And then your sheer multi-reflective metallics are Mercury right here, Supernova, this one right here. No, that's Supermoon. I'm sorry. Supermoon and Supernova, which is this one right here. And Gold Glitch as well. Yeah, the shades that I did use today are Momentum, Crash, Haze, Mercury, and Cosmic. So let's go ahead and dive on into how I made this look. I went ahead and primed my eyes. I used the ABH eye primer. I'm still giving this a whirl. So yeah. Now we're going to dip into the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Palette. This packaging is gorgeous. These two colors right here are calling my name right now. And these are the shades Mercury and Haze. So I want to use these two shades mainly today. And yeah, I'm kind of excited. So yeah. But first I'm going to go into this shade right here, Momentum. And I'm going to set my, what is going on up there? I am going to set my base. Okay, now that my base is set, I want to go into the shade next to it, Crash, and use that as my transition color. Of course, I will be doing my right eye on camera, my left eye off camera, as always. Let's pick this up. There's not a lot of kickback in it. There's a little bit, but not a lot. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, that shade is really, really pretty, and it blended out like a dream. So I'm really liking that shade. It's really, really nice and soft. All right, now I want to go in with Haze, and I'm just going to put that all over my eye because like I said, I really just want these two shades right here to be the star of the eye look today. So let's see how this, not a lot of kickback on this one. Okay, not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but we're going to build her up and blend her out. All right, this is what we got going on so far. Haze was a little bit patchy to put on, but as I built it up and started blending it, it actually looked really, really good. But like I said, it was a little patchy going on. And I know my eyes look like a mess. Method to the madness, y'all always know. Now I'm going to go in with Mercury right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm just going to use my finger. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm just going to go in and use my finger. Ooh. This is really pretty. I really do like this. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I did go in with a flat brush and my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray and wet it. Wet that shade, what is it called? Mercury. And it gave it more of a foiled pop. So if you're looking for more of a pop to the look, to the shade, I highly recommend you wet your brush. If not, you want it more subtle, just use your finger or a dry brush. Now, I do want to put a little bit of definition in my crease, not too much. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, Vortex, and just deepen up my crease just a smidge, not too much, like I said. I'm just doing this very lightly. Okay, this is what we got going on so far. I actually do like how that dark purple did deepen it up, but it didn't like take away from the blue. It kind of added more of a bluish tint to it. So I'm really enjoying it. Okay, now I'm going to start doing my lower lash line. I'm going to first go back into Vortex and put that right along the actual lash line. Nice and tight. Now this is going to turn up more purple until I blend in some more of that haze shade on top of it. Okay, next I'm going to take this little fluffy brush right here, go into haze, and just blend those two together. Alrighty, I am going to finish up my eye look, finish up the rest of my face. While I'm doing that, I'm going to show you swatches of this palette. No primer on my hand as always, one swipe swatches, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alrighty, this is the finished look. I really do like it. It's nice, it's fun, it's colorful, and yeah, I'm all about the blue. I did go in my inner corner to add a little bit of flirtiness to it. I went in with the shade, this is very hard to open. Okay. I went in with the shade Cosmic, this shade right here, and like I said, put it on my inner corner and on my brow bone just to give a little bit of flirtiness to it. On my lips, I did use the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee, and over top of it, I went in with the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson gloss in Shane Glossin. So yeah, but my final thoughts on this palette is I think this is a really good palette. The packaging is phenomenal. I mean, it is just so pretty. The shades are really pretty, and it's a really different kind of palette. And like I've said in my past couple videos, that's what I'm looking for these days. Are palettes that are different. I don't want a palette that's going to be the same as a palette that I have been seeing over and over again. I want something a little different, and this right here is a little bit different. You could pull off so many different looks with this palette. You can do a neutral look, you can do a purple, you can do a blue, you can do a pink, you can do a peachy look. You could just do so much with this palette, and I absolutely do enjoy it. I do think it is a little bit on the pricey side. This does retail for $67. But if you count the packaging and how detailed and how sturdy this packaging is, that's probably where most of the cost went towards, other than the shadows themselves. But you can get this on Huda Beauty's website and on Sephora. I got mine on Sephora. But I recommend this. I actually really do like this. I see this being part of my regular rotation of palettes. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below if this is something that you think you are thinking about picking up. And yeah, and if you already have it, let me know what you think about it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. There are only a handful left. I want to say maybe about 5 or 6 left. And once they're gone, they're gone. They are going into the Texas House of Glitters vault and never coming back. So make sure you pick it up. They are currently on sale for $12. My discount code does not work during their Black Friday sale, which is going on until December 1st. So make sure you pick up some glitter goodies while you're there. For those of you who are celebrating the holiday on Thursday, I do want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. The hubster does have to work, so we will be celebrating with the family on Friday. All my social media handles are down below in the description bar. However, I do not have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. Hopefully this angle's right this time. Okay. I'm not ready. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Hair's in my way. Ooh, one video down, one more to go.